we going to discuss about chapter 6 squares and square root. In that chapter already we learned square root finding. There are two methods. One is a repeated subtraction method. Last class already we discussed. Now we going to discuss a second method, prime factorization method. Prime factorization case, what are, first of all you know here what are the prime numbers. Prime numbers means numbers having only two factors, one and the same number itself. We call it as a prime numbers. Which are they? 2 is a prime number, means one table and two table, only two belonging. Then 3 is a prime number, one table and three table. So 3 have two factors, 1 and 3 in the same number itself. 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. Then next 11 is a prime number. Next 13 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number, etc. We call it as a prime numbers. The numbers having only two factors, one and the same number itself, we call it as a prime numbers. What is the divisibility test of 2? Divisibility test of 2 says that in given number you need to place even number coming, means we can possible to divide it with 2. What are even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are known as even numbers. The given number ending with the even numbers, such numbers we can able to divide it with 2. They are the divisibility test of 2. Next, what is the divisibility test of 3? The given number we add and check it that answer, adding and getting answer is the multiple of 3 or not. It is possible to divide it with 3 or not. Possible means we can say that given number is divided with 3. Next, divisibility test of 5. You need to place a 0 or 5 means we can able to say that given number is possible to divide it with 5. They are the divisibility test. So using this divisibility test, prime factorization doing that method we known as a prime factorization method. Then square root finding that method we known as a prime factorization method. First question in exercise 6.3, that question, first question, give some numbers are giving a prime factorization method, apply and find out the square root of the given number. So first question that tells about 729. How to prime factorize and find out the square root of 729. So in this way draw the box. Then 729 right inside the box. First you check prime numbers. First prime number is 2. Is it possible to divide it with 2? No. What is the reason? Unit place is end with 9. 9 is not a even number. Rule says that you need to place end with the even number. That numbers only we can able to divide. But here you need to place is 9. 9 is an odd number. That's why next prime number take. Which is the next prime number? 3 is the next prime number. That's why a divisibility test of 3 says that given number add. 7 plus 2 comes to be 9. 9 plus 2, 9 plus 9 comes to be how much? 18. 18 is a multiple of the 3. That's why we can say this number is divided with 3. Mind calculation doing or separately that number take and divide. Mind calculation means 3 table 7. No, the nearest answer 3 2s are, so 2 right as quotient. 3 2s are how much? 6. And 7 and 6 subtraction doing time 1. The next number here imagine they bring together. So 1 and 2 joining time 12. 3 table 12. 4 times. Again next number 9. So 3 table 9 3 times. Again 2 plus 4 comes to be 6. 6 plus 3 comes to be 9. So 9 is a multiple of 3. That's why again we can continue with the prime number 3. First number is smaller than the outside number. That's why 2 places number, that is 24. Again checking 3 table when we get to 24. 3 8s are 24. The next number bring, that is 3. 3 table table when we get to 3 as answer. 3 into 1 comes to be 3. Then again continue with the which in a prime number. First we check 8 plus 1 9. So it is, we can continue with 3. Prime number 3. 3 table 81 means 3 table 8 not there properly. Nearest answer 6. 3 2s are 6. So 2 right here. 8 and 6 subtraction doing time 2 comes as a remainder. 2 remainder beside this next number 1, right? So 2 change it to 21. 3 table 21 when it is a 3 into 7 become a 21. Again continue with the 3. 3 table 27 9 times. Again continue with the 3. 3 table 9 3 times. Again continue with the 3. 3 table 3 when we get a 3 into 1 become a 3. So our aim is to divide and divide. Finally we reach the answer as a 1. So division do we. Then factors, right? What are the factors of a 3 to 129? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then find out the square root of 720. That is our question. Pair each numbers pair. First 2 number, next 2 number, next 2. In this way pairing. Pairing after from each pair 1 number take outs. First pair 1 3 take outside. From second pair 1 3 take outside. Third pair 1 3 take outside. Multiply 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are how much? 27 is the answer. So 729 is the square root of which number? 2, meaning 729 when we get a 27 is multiplied with itself we get to 7. 20, meaning 27 into 27 comes to be 729. That is the meaning of that. Because I hope you can understand how to find out the square root using a prime factorization method. Then one more question. Same method, one more question. 9604. There also prime factorization doing 9604. Here see you need to place a even number. That's why we can start with the prime number 2. Then mind calculation or separately take and divide. 2 table 9 nearest answer or not proper 9 getting 8 times. 2 into 4 comes to be 8. Then 9 and 8 is subtraction doing time 1 as a remainder. 1 and 6 joining time is 16. 2 table 16 8 times. Then 0 means 2 table 0 0. Next number 2 table 4 at 2 times. Again unit to place is 2. That's why we continue with the even number 2. 2 table 4 at 2 times. 2 table 8 when we get 2 4s are 8. 2 table 0 0. 2 table 2 at 1 time. Again we want to continue. Is it possible to divide it with 2 and no? What is the reason? Unit to place is an 1 is an odd number. That's why we can't able to continue with the 2. Then next prime number 3. The divisibility test of 3 says that had this number 2 plus 4 comes to be how much? 6. 6 plus 1 comes to be 7. 7 is not a multiple of 3. That's why when we go through next prime number, which is a next prime number? 5 is the next prime number. So 5 also not possible. What is the reason? You need to place a 0 or 5 comes, then only we can able to divide it with 5. Here you need to place this 1. That's why prime number 5 not possible to divide it, dividing. That's why next prime, which is a next prime number 7. So prime number 7 use and divide first. 24 not there and nearest answer 2 into 3 comes to be how much? Sorry, 7 into 3 comes to be how much? 21 coming a subtraction doing time 3 and next place number bring down a 30 and 7 table 30 4 times 28 subtraction doing time 2 and next place number bring down 21 7 table 21 3 times. So the 7 3s are 21. Remainder becomes 0. So what is the answer? 343. Which number use and dividing time? 343 getting a 7. So prime number 7 using and dividing time it will get in. Again 343 is again if possible to divide it with which prime number? 7 only. Prime number 7 only we are continuing. 7 table 34 not there. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are how much? 35 more answer. So 4 time then 34 and 7 4s are 20. So 34 and 28 subtraction doing. 4 minus 8 not possible. 40 minus 8 comes to be 6. Next number bring down, that is 63. 7 table 63 when it is 7 9s are 63. Again which prime number only possible? 7 only. 7 table 14 9 7 7s are 14. Again 7 is a prime number, that's why prime number 7 only using and dividing and we get an answer as 1. I hope you can understand this one. So factors right in time. 2 times 2 and 4 times 7 were writing. Then we want to find out, that is suppose square root of 9604. Square root, how to find? Pairing these factors. From each pair one number take out. First pair 1 2 take out. Second pair 1 7 take out. Third pair 1 7 take out. Then multiply 2 into 7 because how much? 14. 14 into 7 because how much? 28 7 8 9 98 is the answer. So which number square root? 9604 98 is multiplied itself. That means 98 into 98 because how much? 9604. I hope you can understand how to do the prime factorization. One more question. This is prime numbers only using and dividing. One more question, third question. Third question that tells about 9216. Next number 9216. There also draw the division box. 9216 right inside the box. Prime number only start. First prime number is 2. Is it possible to divide it with 2? Yes. Why? You need to place 6. 6 is an even number. So we divided with 2. 2 table when we get to 9, 2 4s are 8 is the 9 minus 8 to become 1. Next number is 2. So 1 and 2 join in time 12. 2 table 12 6 time. Then next number is 1 only. That 1 is smaller than outside 2. That's why it is not possible to divide that. Not possible means put 0 on the quotient place. Next number take and read together. 1 and 6 together reading time 16. 2 table 16 8 times. Again continue with which prime number 2. What is the reason? 8 is an unit place, 8 is an even number. So continue with the 2. For 2 table for 2 times, 2 table 6 3 times, 0 2 table 8 4 times. Again we can continue with the 2. What is the reason? 4 is an even. You need to place 4 is an even number. 2 table 2 1 time. 2 table 3 and not there, nearest answer 1 time. Then 2 into 1 become 2, 3 and 2 subtraction doing 1 has remained. 1 and next number right beside. So 1 and 0 together read as 10. 2 table 10 5 times. Next number 4. 2 table 4 2 times. Again we can continue with which prime number 2. Why? Because unit place is 2. 2 table 11 5 times. For 2 5s are 10, 11 and 10 subtraction doing 10 1 and the next number 5 joining 10 15. 2 table 15 not there, nearest answer 2 7s are 14 coming in. So 50 minus 14 become remainder 1 and next last number take and read togetherly. 1 and 2 read togetherly as 12. 2 table 12 6 times. Again we continue with the 2. What is the reason? Here also you need to place is 6. 6 is an even number. Again 2 table 5 properly not there. 4 2 2s are 4 is there. 5 minus 4 remainder become 1 and 7 joining time 17. 2 table 17 not there. 8 times 16 is there. So 17 minus 16 become remainder 1. That 1 and next 6 take. There read together 16. 2 table 16 8 time. Again we continue with that 2. 2 table 2 1 time. 2 table 8 410. 2 table 8 to 410. Again continue with the prime number 2. What is the reason? Unit to place is 4. Continue time 2 table 14 7 times. 2 table 4 2 times. Again continue with the 2. 2 table 7 not the nearest answer 6. 2 3s are 6. 7 and 6 subtraction doing time 1 and 2 joining time 6. Again continue with the prime number 2. Why unit place is 6. 6 is an even number. 2 table 3 not there. Nearest answer 2 into 1 become 3. 2 coming in 3 and 2 subtraction doing time 1 as remainder 1 and 6 joining time 6 in 2 table 6 in 8 times. So 8 again 2 table 89 times. Again 2 table prime number 2 not possible. Next prime number which is the next prime number 3 is the next prime number. So 3 table 9 3 times. Then again 3 is a prime number. 3 only use it to divide and finally we reach the answer as a 1. How many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 2s are there. So factors right in there. 2 into 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 2 and 2 times 3. 10 times 2 and 2 times 3. Then find out the square root of 9216 pairing. In this way we want to pair. So 1 2 is missing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here 2 into 3 into 3. 10 times 3. 2 and 2 times 3. So here also pairing each pair. First pair 1 2 take outside, next pair 2 take outside, next pair 1 2 take outside, next pair 1 2 take outside, next pair 1 2 take outside, and next pair 1 3 take outside. Each pair 1 number take outside and multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 2 comes to be 16, 16 2s are how much? Here 16 2s are 32 coming, 32 into 3 because how much? 96 is the answer. So we can say that 96 is multiplied with itself, we get 9216. This method is known as a prime factorization method. This is our fourth Roman exercise 6.3 fourth Roman questions. Basis of this one, some more questions are there. The next fifth Roman. Fifth Roman also prime factorization only, but pairing time some numbers are missing. So how to make it as a perfect square? Which number multiplying time we get a perfect square? That is the fifth Roman. Fifth Roman they tells about here which number multiplied and a given number make it as a perfect square. For that one question example, one question is there, that is here 252. Here also same process, prime factorization process. See, prime factorization first question 252. Then prime factorization doing the first, which is the first prime number 2. 2 is possible or not? Yes. Why unit to place is 2. 2 is an even number. That's why we can able to divide it with prime number 2. 2 table 2 one time. 2 table 5 not there. 2 in 2 2s are 4 is there. So 2 time 5 and 4 subtraction doing them 1 and the next place number 2 joining them 12 by 2 table 12 by 6 times. Again we continue with which prime number 2 only. Why? Because unit place is 6. 2 table 12 by 6 times, 2 table 6 and 3 times. Is it possible to again continue with 2? No. Why? Unit place is 3. 3 is an odd number. So next prime number, which is the next prime number 3. Is it possible or not? Yes, it is for 6 plus 3 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. That's why prime number 3 possible. 3 table 6 2 times, 3 table 3 1 time. Again we can continue with prime number 3 7 times. Again we can 7 is a prime number. That's why same prime number 7 only use and dividing time we get final answer as 1. Anyhow our aim is to divide and divide. Finally we want 1 as the answer. See here which are the factors there? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Here we want to write what are the factors of this number means 252 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 are the factors. Pairing time 2 have pair, 3 have pair but 7 have no pair. Here fifth Roman asking which number multiplying time we get a perfect square. Meaning why here are not pair? 252 is not a perfect square. That's why it is no, 7 have no pair. That is the reason. It is a perfect square means each number have getting a pair. But here 7 have no pair. That is the reason the given number is not a perfect square. Our question, how to make it as a perfect square? How to make one more 7 is there means we can make it as a perfect square. So we can write it as multiplying by another 7 we get a perfect square. Multiplied with another 7 we get a perfect square. So that's why any change make in the factors place, same change make in the given number place also. Otherwise wrong answer will get it. So our given number is 252. That also multiply with 7. Factors, what are the factors we got? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 are the factors. They are also multiplied with another 7. So any change make in right side, same change make in the left side. So left side 252, you have to multiply with 7 means which number will get in 14, 36, 3, then 14, 17. So which number getting them? 1764. So here which are the numbers? Find out the square root of this number. Now it is a perfect square. How we can understood that this number become a perfect square? Pairing them. 2 have a pair, 3 have a pair, 7 have a pair. From each pair one number take outside and multiply. 2 3s are 6. 6 into 7 become how much? 42. So what is the square root of 1764? 42 is the square root. So 42 is multiplied itself, we get 1760. That is the fifth Roman meaning. Fifth Roman saying that given number is not a perfect square, then how to make it as a perfect square? How to make it as in this question, we multiplied with another 7, then we get a perfect square. Actually given number 252 is not a perfect square, but it multiplied with 7. How we identify it will multiply with 7? Here factors right in time, 1 7 is missing. That is the reason. That missing 7 you started multiplying. Any change make in the factor place, same change make in the number place also, then only we get a perfect square. Then next, I hope you can understand this. One more question, fifth Roman. One more question, the same model question. Here second question, 2028. How to do? There also prime factorization doing 2028. 8 is an even number. That's why prime number 2 use it to divide. 2 table 2 1 time, 2 table 0 0, 2 table 2 1 time, 2 table 8 4 times. Again we can continue with 2. 2 table 10, 5. 2 table 1, is it possible? No. No means first we keep 0, then afterwards the next number, and then both are read together. So not 4 only, read it as 14. 2 table 14, 7 times. Again, which price is it possible to continue with 2? No. You need to place is 7. Odd number 7 is an odd number. That's why next prime number. Which is our next prime number? 7. 3. Is it possible to divide with 3? How to identify? First we add 5 plus 7 comes to be how much? 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. That's why we can continue with prime number 3. 3 table, 5 table, 3 table 5 not there. 3 into 1, 3 only coming in. And 5 and product 3 subtraction 2 in time 2 1 0 join in time 20. The 3 table 20 properly note that 6 times 6, 3 into 6 become 80. 20 minus 18 comes to be 2. That remainder 2 and next place 7. Read together 27. 3 table 27 9 times. Again, which prime number only we know that 169 is a square of a 13. So we can divide it with the prime number 13 only. Prime number 13 into 13 become a 116. 13 is a prime number, that's why we can continue to divide it with the 13 only. So we get answer as a 1. Then here factors writing time 2028 is equal to 2 into here 3 have 13 have pairs, but 3 have no pair. See, 2 have pair, 13 have pair. Which number have no pair? 3 have no pair. What is the reason 3 have no pair? Why? Because 2028 is not a perfect square. That is the reason. Question what they asking, how to make it as a perfect square. So we understood that which number multiplied, then we get a perfect square. 3 use, and here which number missing, which pair is missing? 3 pair is missing. That 3 is multiplied both side of these given numbers, given number and the factor place. We get a perfect square. So next we can write the sentence as a multiply by a 3 to get a perfect square, So multiplying time, any change make in factor place, same change make in the number place, which is a given number 2028. That number also multiply with 3 and factor place 2 into 13 into 13 and 3 is there. That 3 is pairing with another 3, multiplying with 3. Then this two left side numbers multiply. 2028 is multiplied with 3. 3, 4, 8 are how much? 20. 4 cut and write 6, 7, 8. Then 0, 6. So our number become how much? 6084. Then find out the square root of 6. Now 6084 is which number here perfect square. That's why pairing time pairs are there. From each pair one number take out. From 13 pair 1 3 13 take out. From 3 pair 1 3 take out. They multiply 2 into 13 because how much? 26. 26 is multiplied with 3. Here comes to be how much? 78 is the answer. That's why we get answer become which number? Square root this one is 70. 78 is multiplied with itself. We get a 6084. I hope you can understand how to do this fifth Roman. Just prime factorization doing a pairing time. Which number have no pair? Using that number, extra another number, multiply both side and make it as a perfect square and find out the square root of that, getting perfect square number. Square root find out. That is the meaning of the fifth Roman. Sixth Roman. Next we go through sixth Roman. Sixth Roman case, division case. Here we are doing a multiplication. Same model. Multiplication place, we go and doing the division and make it as a perfect square. Sixth Roman. Sixth Roman division case. First question 2 9 and 2 5. Which number dividing time we can make it as a perfect square and find out that perfect square root. That is the meaning of the question. So here also 2 9 2 5 is prime factorization. Which number is easy? Unit to place is 5. That's why easy to start with the prime number 5. 5 table 29. Not the 5 5s are 25. So product of quotient 5 right. 29 minus 25 because how much? 4 coming 4 and 2. Next place number 2 joining and 42. 5 table 42 not there. 5 8s are 40 coming 42 minus 40 subtraction doing time 2 was remainder. That remainder 2 and next place 5 joining and 25. 5 table 25 how many times? 5 times. Again we can able to continue with which prime number? 5. What is the reason? You need to place is 5. That's why 5 table 5 one time, 5 table 8 not there one time. 5 into 1 become 5. 8 minus 5, product 5 subtraction doing time. How much? 3. Then next number 5 take and reading time 35. 5 table 35. How many times? 7 times. Then next which prime number used to dividing there? Here 5 not possible. Next which number? We go through here which number using the here first we divided with 117 is it possible to divide it with 7. First we check it 7. Next prime number is 7 there. Is it possible to divide it with here 3. First 3 also possible or not? First we check 1 plus 1 comes to be 2. 2 plus 7 comes to be how much? 9. That's why 9 is a multiple of 3. That's why we can able to divide it with 3. Continuing time 3 table 11. Note the nearest answer 3. 3's are 9. 3 times 3 into 3 because how much? 9. 11 minus 9 comes to be how much? 2. 2 and next number joining time 27. 3 table 27 9 times. Is it again possible to divide it with 3? Yes, you need to place this 9. That's why or 3 plus 9 comes to be how much? 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. That's why we can continue with 3. 3 table 3 1 time. 3 table 9 13 time. Then 13 is a prime number. That's why we can continue with the divided with 13 and dividing them. What is the answer? 1 is the answer. Then factors. So factors writing them 2, 9, 2, 5. What are the factors? 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13. Here which number have no pair? 5 have pair. 3 have pair but 13 have no pair. That's why what we can decide here which number used to a division case question. Dividing time we can make it as a perfect square 13. 13 have no pair. That's why another 13 use and dividing time we can make it as a perfect square. So we can write it as a to divide by divided by 13 to get a perfect square. To get a perfect square. Perfect square. That's why what we can do, any change make in the factor place, same change make in the number place also. 2, 9, 2, 5. Division means we can write as in the fractional form. By 13. Equal right side part factors 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13. That also division means fractional wise we can write. 13 and 13 cancel. Division means cancellation. Here division to 2, 9, 2, 5 divided with 13. The first two number 13 table 29. Note that 13 2s are 26 getting the 9 minus 6 comes to be 3. Next number 32. Here 13 into 3 comes to be how much? 13. That's why we can continue with 2. 26 subtraction doing. 2 minus 6 not possible. Borrow from next place. 12 minus 6 become a 6. Next number bring down 65. 13 table when it is 13 into 5 because how much? 65. So we can write it as 5 times 65 is the 13 5 65. So here this number division doing how much we get? 225. Then we can write it as 225 is equal to what are the factors? 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. 13 and 13 cancel. So take the square root of 225. What is the square? How to find a square root? Pairing. Pairing time 5 have one pair, 3 have one pair. Pairing after one number take outside and multiply. So 5 into 5 because how much? 15. So 225 is the square root of which number? Square root of 225 is equal to 15. That means 15 is multiply itself. We get a 225. Hope you can understand how to get one division case. Division case also same process only. Which number have no pair, that number using and dividing. Say both right and left side division doing and find out the square root of that number. That is the procedure. One more question, same model, one more question. One more question, we can write it as here 396. 396. Second question, 396. 396. How to do? Prime factorization doing 396. Okay, then here see unit place is 6. That's why continue with which prime number 2. So 2 table 3 one time. 2 into 1 2, 2 3 and 2 cancelling the remainder 1 and 19 subtraction 19 means 2 table 90 how many times 9 times 18 90 minus 18 because how much subtraction doing time 1 and the next place number 16 joining time 8 times. Again we can continue with the prime number 2. What is the reason? Unit to place is 2. That's why we can continue with them. 2. So 19 not the 9 times 18, 19 minus 18 because remainder 1 and next place number 8 joining time 18, 2 table 18, 9 times. Again which prime number only 2 not possible. What is the reason? Unit to place is 9. 9 is not an even number. That's why next prime number 3. 3 table 19 how many times? Here 3 table 3 times here 3. Again divided with 3 11. 11 again 11 is a prime number, that's why we can divide it with prime number 11. Our answer because how much divide and divide we reach 1. So what are the factors we can write here? 396 factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11 are the factors. 2 have pair, 3 have pair, but 11 have no pair. That's why what we can decide here, divided by 11 we get a perfect square. So we can write it as divided by 11 to get a perfect square. Perfect square. So both sides, not one side. 396 also divided by, division means fractional wise, divided with 11 and the factor place also 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. That place also divided with 11. Division means cancel. 11 and 11 cancel. So that 11 were cancelled. Here 396 divided with 11. 11 table 39, first 2 place 3 times 33, 11 3s are 33 is there. 9 minus 3 becomes 6. Next place number bring down 66. 11 table 66 6 times. So answer subtraction doing that. So what is the answer here? Cancelling time 36. Then factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Only 11 and 11 cancel. Cannot that. Then take the square root of which number? 36. Square root of 36 become first in factor place a pair. Each pair one number 1 2 take outside 1 3 take outside 2 into 3 become how much is 6. So what we can say? 36 is a square root of which number? 3. So 6 is multiplied with itself. We get 36. So I hope you can understand this model question. Next remaining part we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.